Hi everyone. Today in this lesson, I'm going to talk about future simple. So let me explain what is future simple and when do we use it. We use will plus verb to speak about the future. So will we have to use in future simple. We make predictions and guesses with future simple. So if you use future simple, it means that you make predictions or guesses. So what is prediction? For example, I say it will be rainy today because the weather is cloudy. So depending on weather, I made prediction. And what is guess? For example, I say I will get good mark on the exam, but it's not 100% true fact that I will get the good mark. Yes, it's just my guess, and I think so. Well, the form of the verb with all pronouns like he, she, it, etc., are the same. So we don't need to change the verb. So the verb is the same to all the pronouns. Okay. For example, in present simple, we have to add s to the verb if it's in the third person singular. Yes, but in this case, the verb are the same to all the pronouns. I mean, so what is the structure? Structure is first in the first place we have to use subject and then will and verb. So remember this structure and let me explain positive sentence. In singular form, first person, we say I will ride a bike in the park. So have a look at this structure in the sentence. So I is here subject, will we have here, and ride is a verb. So you have to follow this structure when you make a sentence. You will ride a bike. He, she, it will ride a bike, and so on. And this is the plural form. We will ride a bike. You will ride a bike, and so on. Short forms. So when you want to make contraction, I mean, when you want to write in short form, you have to use apostrophe, and then you write double L. Apostrophe we use after pronouns. Okay. So these are the this is the full form and these are the short forms. So let me explain negative sentence. This is the structure again, the same, but we have to use not after will, okay? And the same, again, singular, plural forms. So we say, I will not ride a bike, you will not ride a bike, they will not ride a bike, and so on. In the short form again, we have to use like will not in the full form, but in short form we have to write like this, won't. Okay, won't. Let me explain questions. How do we make question in future simple? So we form questions to ask about the future like this. So we have two types of questions, like first general question, which needs response like yes or no, and then special questions, which need extra information. So this is the structure of general questions. First, we have to use will, and then subject, and then verb. So base form of the verb. Again, singular and plural forms. So you have to follow this structure again, otherwise it will be incorrect. So, for example, will I ride a bike in the park? Will you ride a bike in the park? Will he, she ride a bike in the park, and so on. So here you see we have to change, for example, in positive sentence, we use in the first place subject, yes, and then will and verb. But in general question, you have to change the places of in the order. Like first we have to use and will and then subject. So just changing the order. In plural form, again, will we ride a bike? Will you ride a bike? And so on. We need to answer to this question like in short answer. For example, will your room be big and comfortable? And you have to say yes, it will, or no, it won't, because it's yes, no question. So, and special questions, we have to put in the first place question words and then follow this structure again, will, subject, and verb. So just remember that you have to put question word in the first place. For example, where will they live? So you see, where is a question word, and we have to put in the first place, and then we have will, and then subject they, and verb is live. When will they arrive? And so on. So I think it was clear. So please just practice more, and thank you for watching. Bye.